Hello friends, so welcome to today's video. So continuing with the DIY room slash desk organization and DIY recycle updo series. Today we are going to do the DIY magazine holder with cereal boxes. So if you're interested to know how we did this, please keep on watching. So to make this DIY magazine holder with cereal boxes, you will need 3 cereal boxes. I will recommend the same size, and then you'll need a decorative paper, tape, a pair of scissors or cutter, double-sided tape, a ruler, and a Sharpie. Now, though it seems very easy to do, there's a little tiny bit of effort going into it. It is a very precise job. So first you need to start by taping the boxes together, and with the help of a ruler, taking from the top of the first box, go down to the third box at a 45-degree, and then you draw a line with a Sharpie. Now you do the same thing over the other side of the box, and then you join the both sides into a straight line in the front of the box. Then you need to cut the outline, leaving the back of the box untouched. Now this was for the first box. You have to repeat it for the second box, except that you have to adjust the cuts. That is, the next box starts where the previous box stops in terms of length. Watch the video, it will be more easier. So yes, you have to do that, and then you decorate it the way you want. I chose a holographic type of decorative paper, and with the help of a double-sided tape, I placed it at the back of the 2 boxes, and then I place them together, and yeah, that's how it became. Ta-da, then you're done. This turned out way better than I thought. It took a little time, about 25 to 30 minutes to do it, and I needed my sister to help me out to do it. So if you are not into a lot of DIYs, get somebody to help you, but also alone it will not take you that much time maybe. So yeah, go ahead and try it out. I am totally going to make 4 of these more because it is such a space gainer. Not kidding you guys, it can fit so many things, and it is beautiful. It does not look patchy. It doesn't make it look so gaudy. I sincerely like this one. So yeah, if you like it also, please give us a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next, and what did you like about the video. You're going to try out. And then do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified every time our video comes up. And then till next, take care.